Hello everybody. I am laying on the floor. The dogs are going crazy. Mosley, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, little Junie. Oh, Jesus. So, I'm trying to film a YouTube video, guys. I'm being attacked. Oh, Jesus. Junie, you don't bite people on the nose. Oh my gosh, the dogs are crazy. I just spent the last 45 minutes shoveling outside and there's still a lot to shovel, so why not film a vlog of me doing outdoor chores because it has snowed a lot. Sorry, the dogs are going crazy because I finally came inside. It has snowed a lot in Whitehorse the last I'd say it's been snowing for 4 days straight pretty much, so there's a lot to do outside. So come with me as we shovel and clean up the property. You can get a taste of northern life and the many trials and tribulations of living on a farmhouse in the Yukon. For reference, this is probably how much snow we've gotten. Let's see. That's a lot for the Yukon. And it's about -20 outside today. Oh hey, today was a very long day of shoveling and plowing and it's still snowing, so probably gonna have to do some more tomorrow. I am so tired, but this came in the mail and I feel like it's just perfect timing. Sage reached out to me on Instagram and asked if they could send me a little Christmas gift, so they sent me this pain clinic. So it says, time to slay your pain naturally. And there's 6 different days. So let's open them up and see what's inside. Day 1 we have, also this isn't sponsored, they did gift this to me. Pain Release Joint and Arthritis Cream. Ta-da. Amazing. And then I got, day 2 is Peppermint Halo, which I have used for years, literally years. It's amazing. You just like put it on your forehead when you have a headache. I got this at a half marathon I ran in Vancouver like in 2017, and I'm obsessed with it. Nathan still uses one of these next to our, we have it next to our bed, so that's awesome that I got a new one of those. Day 3 is analgesic body oil. I don't know if I'm showing the label or not there, which looks so nice. 4, we're getting to the kind of like wider ones here at the bottom. So 4, ooh, came in like a big box. Oh wow, oh nice. It's a roller ball, which is very much needed today. And it's so cold from being in my mailbox. Oof. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm totally gonna use this on, I'm gonna make Nathan use this for me on my back because my back is so sore. I'm like really weak. I'm not very strong. And shoveling takes like a lot out of me. So I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow. Day 5 is Muscle Melt Comforting Coconut and Shea Body Butter. Nice. And then day 6, the final day, is Extra Strength Pain Relieving Remedy. So thank you very much, Sage, for sending me this box. It is amazing. I'm so excited. This was a PR kind of Christmas gift, so thank you so much. I am going to go and smear this all over my body now, and after that I have to film this video and post it for you guys tonight. So I'm gonna go. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you're having a great December. Bye.